Okay, folks, you know what we're doing. We're doing the chili, right? I'm doing it right here with my nephew, Mr. Make It Happen. Now listen, every time he and I get together and do some type of chili, everybody hits us in the comments and talks about they state has the best chili. But you know what? Today we about to find out.
We're doing 4 different chilies from 4 different regions, and we're going to invite the camera crew on this side of the camera to taste test it and vote on which one's the best.
With that being said, let's do it. Next up, we're going to be doing the chili right out of our cookbook.
All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get the party started with our chili from our cookbook, Best of Both Worlds. If you haven't gotten that, you can grab that today. We're also going to do some white chicken chili, some Cincinnati chili, and Texas-style chili with smoked beef brisket.
You said it right.
Nothing like a good pot of chili.
Nothing like a good pot.
When you talk about comfort food, I think chili is one of those things that's just a staple in the comfort food genre.
Hands down. And is loved across the board.
Or hate it in the comments if you don't make it like some people say you should.
That's right.
Let us know in the comments if beans belong in chili. Today we got a couple recipes that got beans, a couple recipes that don't. So we're gonna find out. All right, guys, it doesn't get much better than the cookbook chili. We're throwing everything but the kitchen sink in there. We got bacon, we got 80-20 ground beef, a couple secret ingredients, which are the tomato soup, which I think adds a nice consistency rather than just regular old tomato sauce. Who doesn't like tomato soup?
Right.
We got a little bit of cinnamon. We're kind of stealing that from the Cincinnati recipe a little bit.
Right.
Shout out to my people in Cincinnati. All right, guys, so now that the ground beef is cooked down with the veggies, it's time to add the seasoning. We're gonna add some cinnamon, some chicken bouillon powder, a couple different chipotle. But we got a chipotle chili powder and a regular chili powder, smoked paprika. We're gonna go in with some cumin as well, some tomato paste, about a 1/4 cup of that. AB's gonna mix it in. It's smelling amazing in here already.
Man, that's an understatement. Now, if you guys don't believe me, take a look at this right here. Super looking good. I know it's not no smell-o-vision, but believe me, look, that is a real chili. Now we're getting ready to do a Texas-style authentic chili.
All right, people, now it's time for probably the loudest of the pack, the Texas-style chili.
Right.
We got some smoked beef brisket here. We got some great high-quality grass-fed ground beef going into our Dutch oven. Gonna mash that down, try to get a little color and some texture. For the chili paste, we have arbol chilies, guajillo chilies, and some ancho chilies that we rehydrated with a little bit of water. Toast them off first, let them soak or steep for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then you blend them up and they form this nice paste that we're gonna add to our chili.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the onions. We're gonna add all that onion in there.
Why not?
That's right. A little bit of this garlic.
Good tablespoon or so of garlic.
There you go.
Got the onions. And then as for the seasonings, we got 2 types of chili pepper or chili powder, cumin, oregano, and some all-purpose seasoning.
Okay, so look, now we get ready to add this brisket, right? I've already chopped it up, cut it. I like to cut it into the cubes, but what I like is, look at this fat right here. We're gonna put that in there. Right, so let's put this in here.
Flavor.
Hey, you can't say Texas without saying brisket anyway.
I've been snacking on it a little bit off to the side.
Right. Now, he wasn't joking. Listen, he was snacking on it. The crew was snacking on it. I mean, everybody on the property was having some, so why not? Me too. Look at that right there. That's a real chili, y'all.
Next up, representing the Southwest, we have white chicken chili. We'll melt a little butter, then I'm gonna cook my onions, and then we are going to begin adding in our stock. And we're gonna add in the beans. We got a couple different white beans, white kidney, northern beans. Season it up. Let that cook down, season it to taste, and then we'll start adding in a little splash of heavy cream, some sour cream to add a little creamy and richness to the chicken chili. I think white chicken chili is underrated. What you think?
I agree.
We got the butter in there. In goes the onion.
Now, if you guys ask me, I think white chicken chili is so underrated. Look at that right there. So full of flavor, bold, nice taste, and look at that.
Next up, we got Cincinnati chili.
Now, this right here, this Cincinnati chili, you guys are going to really love this one here. Check out this ingredient list.
All right, so for the Cincinnati style chili, we have our ground beef cooked down beautifully, 2 pounds in total, 80-20. We got 1 diced onion going into the mix. I'm gonna incorporate that onion, and then we're gonna add our seasoning blend, which is very unique in Cincinnati. They add things like allspice and cinnamon to the party. We got oregano, we got chili powder, cumin, and chicken bouillon powder. I'm gonna give that a good mix. The other key ingredient to the Cincinnati style chili is cocoa powder. Good tablespoon and a half of that going in. That's gonna add real depth and richness, dark color. Next, we're going in with our garlic and tomato paste.
Now, after seeing this, ingredient list right here, and finding out about the cinnamon and the cocoa powder, I want you guys to let me know. I know it's hard to probably process that with your brain. If you've never had it, you got to try it, folks. And look at that right there. Beans or no beans.
All right, people, it's time for another shameless plug. Our book, The Best of Both Worlds Cookbook, is currently 50% off for the first time ever. It's the biggest sale we've ever had, and it's for a limited time. Use the code HALF-OFF right now. Get 50% off AB&I's collaborative cookbook. Go to bestofbothworldscookbook.com, use the code HALF-OFF, and get 50% off right now.
We got the white chicken chili up first.
So, that's good.
No, that's good.
Now, this was a good taste right here, taste test, because look, all three of these young men kept their head down the whole entire time. Just look at them.
Cincinnati.
Just get it.
He's so solid.
It's more bold, it's bold.
A little more robust flavor.
This is cookbook chili.
That's the both worlds chili right here. Let's go. Let's probably make sure I got some bacon in Lord. You don't taste like chili. That bacon tastes a whole nother. So, yeah, you gotta get that bacon when you bite it for sure.
It's way more flavor.
Taylor.
After tasting this, I'm really not considering the other two chili. Texas chili.
Yeah, big.
This is good. This number 2 for sure.
Y'all taste like that smoke flavor?
Yeah, that's good. You can't go wrong with no brisket.
Yeah.
So you need
Chips is better.
You need some food, yeah, you just need some carbs with it.
With the problem around the carbs, I'm gonna go cookbook brisket chicken there in Cincinnati.
Yeah, I'm gonna go the same one.
You go what?
Cookbook, Texas.
Y'all slick white chili.
Yeah.
So, you just can't go wrong with the brisket.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys seen who likes what and what their favorites is, but we be eager to hear what you guys say, right? So talk to us down in the comment section below. It's myself, AB, Matt, Mr. Make It Happen, and guess what, folks? We out. Peace.